have officially hit 6 figures, y'all. Yes, we are an official 6-figure tea business. Peace and blessings, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty, Herbs, and Tea, where we talk about all things tea, herbs, and resources to help you start your herbal business right now. Now, if you cannot tell you all, I am finally in my new house. Y'all, I am so excited to be in my house. If you have not been following my stories on Instagram, you know it was a struggle, y'all. It was a struggle to get in this house, okay? And a whole lot of stress and anxiety. But I can officially say that I am finally in my new home. And if you are subscribed to my Patreon, which I never actually advertised, by the way, I did give you all a little behind the scenes tour of my herbal apothecary here that you see in the back. So I show you all the herbs that I use and how I organize my herbs. I still have more herbs to put up here. I actually also show you all my herb office too. So I have a few videos on my Patreon already up about that, as well as a few tea recipe videos too, and some herbal syrup, some herbal cough syrup, a whole bunch of herbal medicine. So yeah, if you're interested in that, my Patreon link will be in the link below. So let's go ahead and get into the topic of this video, y'all. So if you have not been keeping up, I have officially hit 6 figures, y'all. Yes, we are an official 6-figure tea business. It just feels so crazy. It feels so surreal to say that. Like, I hit 6 figures. I am a 6-figure business, and I made 6 figures in a little bit over a year. Now, I actually reached 6 figures a while ago, but that was 6 figures in revenue, but not in profit, which is different, okay? It's different. What you make versus what you take home is a lot different. So I really didn't want to say anything until I actually had 6 figures in the bank, okay? And now I can officially share that your girl is a 6-figure tea business owner, and now it is only up from here. So this video is going to be surrounded around that. I am going to share with you how you can make money in your herbal business, and I'm going to share with you some tips and some tricks that I have used to make money in my herbal business, as well as share with you what I have made. Well, I just share with you, actually. I just share with you what I have made. But this video is for all the people that are doubting that they can make money using their herbal business, because you 100% can. It is all up to you. Now, let me go ahead and just give you a brief overview of my story on my journey to getting to 6 figures. Now, if you are not new here and you see my previous videos, you know this story, okay? Just kind of go and get some snacks while I tell the newcomers this story. So you all know that when I started off my business, I literally made $0 in sales, y'all. When I launched Beauty, Herbs, and Tea, nobody bought anything from me, okay? I had to harass my family and friends to buy things, and it was so depressing, because I'm like, you know what? I've quit my job for this tea business. I have no other option than to make money. So being the go-getter that I am, being the forever student, being the master manifester that I am, I went and I started enrolling in tons of courses, webinars, classes, everything that I could to learn how to grow my business and make money. And I did just that. And I came back, y'all. So month 1, we had $0 in sales. And then month 2 and 3, I was hitting $8,000 in sales a month. Now, yes, I went from 0 to 8,000 real quick. So that right there should show you that it is possible for you to make money in your herbal business. You just have to figure out how, and that is okay. I am here for that. Now, let me stop. If y'all hear some beeping in the background, that is my my alarm. What is that called? The smoke detector. Yes, that is my smoke detector. I just moved in here, so the landlord did not replace the batteries. Just please ignore the beeping in the background. Hopefully it's not too loud. Hopefully my mic draws it out. But anywho, let's talk about my money, okay? Because that's what a lot of you all are here for. And I don't know why people are so iffy when it comes to talking about money. No one wants to tell you what they make. And my thing is, you all are coming to this channel to learn about how to start a business. And I don't mind being completely transparent on what I make as well as what I did to get there. You all know that this channel is about helping you all, okay? I give you tons of free information because I want to see all of you win. And I have no problem sharing my tips and sharing my strategies on how to see y'all win. Okay, so let's talk about how I got to six figures. Now, I recently read a comment on one of my posts, my community posts, by a person who commented pretty much saying that you made six figures just off of selling 3 tea blends. How amazing. And I know that person probably did not mean any harm, but that actually is not the case. So I wanted to really come on here and share how I got to six figures and what my streams of income are to get me to six figures. Now, in my course, I talk about, having multiple streams of herbal income. That is how I got to six figures. So no, 3 tea blends that I have on my website, and actually I've had more than 3 tea blends. I've had probably 6 or 7, but I do cycle them out throughout the year. Some are exclusive, some are limited edition. Now, the streams of herbal income that helped me get to six figures are as follows. Now, I did a lot of farmers markets. You can make a lot of money doing farmers markets and pop-ups. And I actually showed you a behind the scenes on one of my pop-ups and markets. Go ahead and click, I believe it'll be up here. Click this link up here to watch one of my behind the scenes on my market days, my farmers market days. But I mentioned in there how much money I actually made off of that market. But I did not only use markets, I also had several wholesale accounts. So if you did not know, I specialize in custom herbal tea blends. I make custom herbal wellness blends for individuals as well as for business. I am a tea blending expert. I know all things about herbs, flavors, taste, phytonutrients, and how to pair together the perfect herbs to get you a delicious, effective tea blend. And I have been able to monopolize that. So I have been able to help individuals as well as small and big businesses, you all, by offering my custom tea blend services and offering wholesale. So I have actually created tea blends for legit businesses out there, and they use those tea blends in their business, as well as I actually will drop ship tea blends for businesses, meaning I will create the blend, they will order wholesale from me, and then I will ship it out. I only do that for a few, so please don't email me asking for that, as I do not have the time to add more drop shipping clients. But I also will allow people to order their custom tea blend in wholesale, so in bulk. So I will create the tea blend for you, and then you can place an order of 50 to 100 or 500 bags of tea, and then you take that tea blend I made for you and sell it in your business. I also offer private labeling as well. So I actually have about 12 active wholesale accounts right now. So I mean, that should give you an idea of exactly, what I'm making. So yes, I mentioned wholesale accounts, I mentioned my farmers markets, as well as custom tea blend services. So that's about 3 right there. And then of course, my courses teaching you all how to make tea and how to start an herbal business was a great addition to my herbal business strategy. And all of those things have helped me reach my 6 figures. And again, you can do it too, y'all. You can do this. This is not something that is not attainable at all. So I have a herbal coaching and mentorship group, and we're actually covering financial planning tomorrow in our monthly coaching meeting. And this is exclusively for people who are in my course. So those are some tips on how you can financial plan and how you can make money in your business. It is possible, you all. It all depends on you. It depends on the amount of dedication you have, the amount of hustle you have, the amount of manifestation you do, and the amount of planning you do. It is possible to hit 6 figures in your business. So everybody, let's just manifest it. Let's all manifest it together. You will hit 6 figures in your business. Say it again, y'all. I will hit 6 figures in my business. Now, before I go, I do want to let you all know that I am presenting at this year's Herbal Entrepreneur Conference. Now, if you have not heard anything about the Herbal Entrepreneur Conference, it is an amazing week-long conference that brings together over 20,000 herbalists to teach and to learn all things about how to start an herbal business. And guess what? Your favorite herbalist will be speaking at this year's conference. I will be speaking on a step-by-step guide on how to start and grow your herbal business, a successful herbal business. But you can learn more from over 35 herbalists who are presenting. You can learn about GMP and FDA compliances, how to legally protect your brand, how to harvest herbs, how to grow herbs, how to start an herbal apothecary. Literally, this conference covers everything that has to do with starting, growing, and scaling your herbal business. So you do not want to miss it. And guess what, y'all? It is free. It is free. Now, the conference starts tomorrow. You still have time to sign up. And as always, if you would like to learn more about my Herbal Business Assistant course or my Mastering Tea Blending and Formulation course or my consultations, which will start soon, go ahead and click the link in the description box below as well. So that's all I have for you all today. I am going to record a couple more videos. So I'll see you all at the conference tomorrow. And as always, you all, do not forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.